YMS Borough, State Hill Road at the ramps from 222, traffic control to motor vehicle accident. Fire police from stations 79 and 85, YMS Borough, State Hill Road at the bottom of the ramps from 222 southbound, traffic control to motor vehicle accident, 1712.